the attack appears timed for maximum impact.
Getting ready for a meeting of world leaders.
1,000 members of law enforcement patrolling the areas.
Locking down the city days ahead of the G20 summit.
In today's world, more and more high-profile events are becoming a target for terrorist attacks. We must protect our visitors against these threats. But how would you secure these events? How would you check all the cars? How would you make sure they don't bring in any explosives or weapons? We all know the mirror on the stick, but do you really think that's safe? Check out the UVIScan Rapid Deployment system. It works better and faster. UVIScan Rapid Deployment fits into the back of your car, deployed within 15 minutes. Every police force should have one. UVIScan Rapid Deployment swiftly scans the underside of vehicles coming through, allowing your team to secure the area, keeping your visitors safe. If you want fast, high quality and efficient detection of dangerous objects, there is only one choice. UVIScan. Detect the danger.